Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create a custom field on document level in TranZact. So what is custom field? Custom field is an additional field which you can add on any document on item or primary level. So let me guide you from where you can add it. You need to go to all modules. Now click on settings. Go to document section in settings. After that, you will get an option of document fields. Click on that. Now, once you will come on document fields, please check. This is the custom field section. Now, from here, you can go ahead and select that on which document you want to create a field. So, I want to create a field on sales invoice. So, please check. These are some of the pre-added custom field which I have already added in the system. So, how I can create a new field here? So, I can click on add field. I can select that this will be for the domestic or foreign currency document. Then after I need to go ahead and provide a name for the custom field. Like I will go ahead and just provide uh, dispatch date. Now, going below, I can go ahead and provide a description. I can select which will be the type, text, numeric, date and time, date, select URL. Accordingly, I can go ahead and select the same. Now, coming to the next, I can mark is it a mandatory or read only or show to counterparty. What is show to counterparty? If this option is selected, then in that case, whenever you will create a document, the same custom field data will go to customers as well through email, supplier or buyer. Now, I will go ahead and click on save. Same, I can go ahead and add it on item details. What is the difference in primary and item details? So primary level is the top of the document and item level is on the item row where you go ahead and select the item. So individually for each and every item, you can add a custom field here. After that, you can create the invoice or you can create the document and this particular field will be displayed. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to create a custom field. Have a good day ahead.